We have a distinct advantage over other metal forming parts suppliers. It's called the Bihler Effect. Hello, I'm Dan Miller, president of Crawford Manufacturing. We make your high-quality multi-slide metal stampings and wire forms, spring clips, and we can even make small springs.
While the rest of the industry is limited to up and down movements, Crawford Manufacturing works in 360 degrees. Our multi-axis Bihler multi-slide and servo technology combines stamping, forming, and assembly into a single process. The result? You get a finished subassembly, neutralized material stress, and an unfair advantage that leaves the logistics nightmare of secondary operations behind.
Welcome to our slide forming facility. Here at Crawford, we do a super fine job. If it doesn't work, we make it work. We have a lot of slide forming machines. Our 4-slide machines manipulate metal from 4 directions at once, creating complex geometries in a single pass. If you're not familiar with Bihler slide forming machines, they were designed by Otto Bihler from Germany, who was a POW during World War II, and he was in the US as a POW working on slide forming machines, and went back to Germany and designed his own version of a slide forming machine. And his machines are legendary. They give us up to 90% reduced setup times with over 300% increased production output.
We make wire form stampings and 4-slide precision, built to your specs with a master's vision. Whatever the metal, whatever the quirk, at Crawford Manufacturing